The next thing we'd like to do is to be able to compute sales and marketing expense. So the main thing that we're going to include here are all expenses that are related to sales and marketing and exclude expenses that are not related to either of those categories. So when we look through here, we see referral programs, TV ads, out of home spending, new customer promotion marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, prospecting, sales, and account managers, which are attempting to generate sales from the existing customer base. Those would all be sales and marketing expenses. Acquisition related onboarding expense, that would not be a sales and marketing expense. So I am going to leave that out. I just copy and paste that over, and this gives us a view of total sales and marketing expense over time.